Okay, so we're back again with our third Discovery Kit collection, which is called Skincare Discovery Kit Nourish, and this is one that I would use and for older skin, so for your mums and more older aging skin, I would say. But it's beautiful, so Deb is going to talk about it. Beautifully.
You open it up.
Beautiful.
There.
Yeah, and so in the Nourish collection, so it's for dehydrated, dry or mature skin. That's what I need to say, not the older person. Mature
We're
skin.
mature and old.
So the collection contains a smoothing cleanser, complexion purifier, 50 ml. That's our scented nourisher. You can also get unscented versions if you want the full size, plus a bamboo face cloth, a Skin Dream age-defying firming cream concentrate, an ELIZIR Age-Defying Omega. Am I going too fast? I'll just tell you what it is and then we show. And Rainforest Dew, which we love, Rainforest Dew. So let's go through.
So that's the size of the Skin Dream. It's perfect travel size and it's a lovely product. On the box here it says, akin to the most nourishing snacks you take on a journey to keep you going strong, the minis in this kit have been carefully selected to keep your skin hydrated, strong and ready to face all of life's adventures. And it then tells you the order to use them in, but the ELIZIR and the Rainforest Dew are our little mini serums that you get. So
gorgeous.
they last a couple of weeks, don't they?
Yeah, and the ELIZIR you can use, if you can, you can use all over your body. And that I use morning. You can use morning and night. It really does hydrate your skin, doesn't it? Yeah. You've seen them all before. I think that went up there actually. You've seen them all before, so we're not going to take them out and go through every single item. But our festive discovery kits are fresh for the festive season for a limited time only. You can purchase a targeted skincare discovery kit, whether you're looking to get a glow, nourish or balance your complexion. It's a great opportunity for any budget conscious customer to try a mini selection of the products they're interested in or were recommended by your ambassador. And there's also a skincare routine finder that you can look on our websites to help you work out what is the best skincare selection for you. Yeah, and for every Tropic collection sold, we will fund one planting of one tree, which is great, as well as helping children in remote countries of the world to get schooling. So lots of lovely things when you buy Tropic.
They source all the paper from
FSC
forests, don't they? So it's all.
So yeah, they're beautiful.
Beautiful,
absolutely brilliant. So you will love that collection. Just to remind us what that one is. So that's our Nourish collection. Beautiful.